Welcome to Bayport Yachts. This is your host, J.R. Means. We're introducing a 1992 Sea Ray 350 Express Bridge. This is one of Sea Ray's best designs ever. She's not quite as tall and tippy as a regular fly bridge. But she has all the accommodations with a lower fly bridge, big windows on the salon, brand new enclosure, brand new electronics. Engines were replaced with new in 2016. Twin 454 gas big blocks. Stamoid canvas on the fly bridge. Simrad electronics, HD radar. Give us a call at 949-631-0228. We'll show you the interior. We'll walk you through the boat. We'll help you buy her, help you find a slip, get you trained on the basics of how to use her. Look at that profile. Sleek, sexy. She's got a walk-through fly bridge, so you don't have to shimmy down the sides. Your kids can walk right out on the foredeck. You can see them. We've got a couple of beanbag chairs out in front, so you can see what that looks like. It's a gorgeous boat. And don't let the 1992 fool you. Almost everything on this boat has been replaced. Refrigerator, water heater, water pump, accumulator pump, electronics. She's got autopilot, chart plotter, fish finder, new striping, new gel coat, underwater lights. This will be somebody's best trip to Catalina ever. Again, J.R. Means, Bayport Yachts, 949-631-0228. See you on the water.